Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee the Vismai food way. First, let's gather our essentials. You will need 2 tablespoons of your favorite coffee powder, 1 cup of hot water, 1 cup of full-fat milk, and about 2 teaspoons of sugar. Having these ingredients ready ensures a smooth and enjoyable brewing process from start to finish. Now, let's brew the heart of our coffee, the decoction. Place 2 tablespoons of coffee powder into the upper chamber of your filter. Slowly pour 1 cup of hot water over the powder, allowing it to seep through. Let this rich liquid drip for about 15 to 20 minutes, yielding a concentrated, aromatic decoction. With your decoction ready, it's time to assemble your perfect cup. Gently heat 1 cup of milk until it is warm. In your serving cup, combine the rich coffee decoction with the warm milk. Stir in 2 teaspoons of sugar, or more if you prefer it sweeter. For a delightful frothy top, pour the coffee back and forth between 2 tumblers. To elevate your coffee experience, consider these tips. Always use freshly ground coffee beans for the most vibrant aroma and flavor. Maintain a water temperature of around 93 degrees Celsius for optimal extraction. Don't hesitate to experiment with various milk types to achieve your desired creaminess. Finally, adjust the sugar to perfectly complement the coffee's natural bitterness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.